Mona's Beach, and we are the beaches in the beach. We are the beaches in the beach. I-focus mo. Yan ang aking pamangkin na pinaka-beautiful. Beautiful. And the next second beautiful. Ipo sila. And the third. And me. And the most beautiful. And the least beautiful. And the least beautiful. Si Waisin man.
Layo na kay silang tanan ako, guys.
Wala itinoon. Wala yung original. Kamari mi sa beach, guys.
Ako ang ugat.
Kani mga kuha na ni lumot-lumot. Mga sanga na lang ni guys. At mga kuha na lang ni mga lusa. Diri mi mari mo diri guys. Ali mo day. Mga beaches. Come here beaches. In the beach. We're going to the beach.
Times are late under the moon, and I thank God I'm breathing. And I pray don't take me soon, 'cause I am here for a reason. Sometimes in my tears I drown, but I never let it get me down. So when negativity surround, I know someday it'll all turn around, because all my life I've been waiting for, I've been crying for the people to say that we don't wanna fight no more, there'll be no more war, and our children will play one day, one day, one day, one day, one day, one day. Start to bounce, we don't lose, we all lose, but they're feed on the souls of the innocent, blood-drenched pavement. Keep on moving, though the water's still raging, and in this place you may lose your way, my drive.
Hi guys! Nandito kami. Sila. I-focus mo sila. Ito lang lahat. Ayan. So, mag-picture-picture kami dito, guys.
Uy, ngayon kasi Mary Jane.
Wag nyo.
No.
Dapat 2 fees. Nindot ra? So guys, ito ang Mona's Beach located in... Asan eh? Uy. Asan
Gimputlan.
Giputlan.
Dapitan.
Dapitan City. Hindi ko madupa-dupa kaya kung... Video mo yan. Nice ka ayong kuha. Tanawa. Ganun ang kalig ko. Ang mga ut kay kay nakulugot.
Dili guys, ingwad gani kaayo.
Ayaw kay nakulugot.
Dili manggod. Ito, dili uy, dalawa di manggod ma ito nang upo.
Ang tagit oh dili uy.
Dili lagi, pwede
Ah,
na maraming lang taon. Yara na lang taon.
Tawaran ng mga So guys, mag-picture kami, nag-video na ka.
Hi,
hello.
Welcome to
This is Maricel, Vance, and Mikay, the Kikay. And then, manag picture?
Ay, tara daw dito.
Picture daw po dahil. Oh, what is
Dita lang among mga tiyang nagkuhan ha.
Loud and clear music, only here on Remix Avenue.
DJ Jonah sa Gyno Remix.
O kan siya no pulverize kayo ba?
DJ Jonah sa Gyno Remix.
Pumili container? Yan na lang, maliit.
Sige te. Pero to. Leo.
Pikas pa, pikas. Wala na muna.
Gang picture ko kang be.
DJ Jonah sa Gyno Remix.
Few inches later.
Hi guys! Nandito na naman kami ulit.
Amura kay para mabilin ang balas. Ay pwede po siya sa kuanti.
Tama pa, i-press siya si Ivan. Ivan, idungo gamay. Na.
Throw you in the air, give it up now. If you like what you feel, give it up now. Now scream, give it up.
thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets.
Extension na tayo na dari.
You can use me.
Oh, no, 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 no.
虜になってしまえばきっ